In this quick guide, we'll be going through Firepower, a tier 1 mission. In this, we'll pack-a-punch a weapon to level 1 and kill 50 zombies with the level 1 pack-a-punched weapon. This is super easy to do. All you need to do is open the TAC map and, zooming in slowly, the first thing that should appear are pack-a-punch machines. These are usually dotted around, one per city. All we need to do is get ourselves cash in-game and head across to one of these. The longest part of this mission will probably be tracking all the way to the pack-a-punch machine, but when you eventually get here, you should hopefully have enough cash. With $5,000 donuts, we can buy ourselves a pack-a-punched weapon to level 1. While you can probably pack-a-punch it a few times, which you'll need to obviously head into a higher threat level zone, this mission I'm pretty sure requires you to kill zombies with a pack-a-punch tier 1 weapon. Yeah, level 1 pack-a-punch weapon. All we need to do now is get 50 kills with our pack-a-punched gun, which now probably one-hits zombies for the most part, making it very easy to get this done. An insta-kill definitely helps, but isn't necessary here. Already clearing out the area, we've got 32 out of 50. This is a super quick mission to do, at least, as long as you can find zombies. That could be the slowest part of these if you happen to be unlucky. Clearing out another small pack, taking us to 41 out of 50. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that should be done. Yeah, there we go. Sweet. Anyways, that's really about it for the super quick guide. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.